you just take it out and look at it, and if you don't think it's ready, just put it back in.
Got it. So what do the rest of them look like?
Blue? I'm gonna check yours again. Whoa. Hey, did you make an acorn?
No.
Why does it look like an acorn?
Put it back in. We gotta make it
What
darker.
is it?
We'll put it back in. You
What
can see
did
it when
you
it's
make?
done.
What did you make? What did
You
you
can see it when it's done.
do? Let me check on this one. Pink. You want pink?
Nope, keep going.
You want red?
Yep.
Right?
There's one more egg left. You want to do it?
Yeah. I'm gonna draw an acorn. Actually, a flower. There. Flower done.
All right, what color are you going to put it in?
Blue.
There's already one in blue.
What is two in there?
You can't put two in there.
They
It
won't
won't fit. You gotta wait.
You can wait or you can put it in a different color. You make it yellow? All right.
Alright. We gotta wait for you. I'll just run into Luigi. The last one up is orange. What are you drawing? A design. Well, no, what is your design? Lightning bolt?
Just a design.
Oh. Okay. Don't we have any other eggs to make?
No, that's it.
More eggs.